How to delete contacts in Messenger. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the app, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just log in with your account onto your Messenger, Facebook or Messenger. So basically after you log in with your account, just hit not now, and just basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and open up the notifications and everything. And what you're gonna do, and I'm gonna just go ahead into see, for example, if I wanted to swipe left right here, you're gonna see that I don't have an option except you're gonna see right here to delete contact. You're gonna be able to have that option. Just go ahead and delete that conversation, right? But if you want to delete that contact by itself, just go ahead and click the three bars at the top left, go ahead to the settings gear, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to account center or meta, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and open up the account center, and basically you're gonna just wait it out. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the your information and permission, and you're gonna just go ahead to the upload contacts. And basically in what you're gonna do in the upload contacts, you're gonna just go ahead into selecting your account right here, and basically it will direct you to the Facebook. Just toggle on the upload contacts, and from there you're gonna be able to see all of your contacts within the Facebook, and you're gonna be able to manage them by deleting them or whatnot. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.